Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Fruity Pebbles cheesecake. Now this is absolutely delicious. I hope you keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. Before we start making this recipe, look below this video at that subscribe button. If it's red, all you have to do is click on it and it'll turn it gray. Also, if you enjoy what I do here, be sure to hit that like button because I really want to get to 200 likes on this video. Now back to the recipe. So the first thing we need to do is make our crust, and I am using the Fruity Pebbles crust because it's going to be a Fruity Pebbles cheesecake. And to do that, I have a large bag here. You can do this a number of different ways. You can either put the Fruity Pebbles in a food processor or blender and crunch them up, or you can do it the easy way, put it into a bag. This is a large freezer Ziploc bag. This is 1 cup here. I'm going to put 2 cups total. Now we can just let out most of the air of the bag, zip it up. Now I don't know if it's necessary, but I am going to crush these down a little bit. You might be able to work with it just as they are because they are pretty small. But I am going to crush them up a little bit more. And I just did a brief job of it. You can see some of them are still the full size, but that's okay. I didn't want to crush them all. Next, I've melted down 1 stick of butter, which is 8 tablespoons or ½ a cup. Just going to take that melted butter and pour it into our bag. Zip it back up and massage it around. Next, I have a springform pan. That's one of these pans that pop off like that. These are perfect for cheesecakes. If you can't find one of these, I'll put a link in the description below where you can get a hold of one. Now just take our Fruity Pebbles cereal. And I'm going to spread this rather thin across the bottom here. And after looking at that, I think I'm going to go with another cup of the cereal. So it's a total of 3 cups. I am going to dump this back into my plastic bag. The reason why is I did use plenty of butter, and I don't want to add any more butter to this. So now we have a total of 3 cups of cereal in here. Still only 1 stick of butter. Let's mix that all up. Okay, and I didn't mash down the 3rd cup of cereal, but I think it'll be fine. All right, we'll try it again and spread it to 1 nice even layer. Now you can take a cup or something, and you can also use your hands. And I just want to press these in. Now we're just going to take this, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes, and that will harden up, that butter will firm up, and it'll make this one big solid piece. Next we're going to make the filling for our cheesecake, and to do that I have 2 packages of cream cheese. Each one of these packages are 8 ounces, and they are at room temperature. They need to be soft. And 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Now we're just going to cream these together. So now that that's all creamed together, what I want to do is add in some more Fruity Pebbles into this. And I'm just going to grab a handful. I'm not measuring it. Maybe a handful and a half. And mix those in with our filling. Now that our filling's done, we can bring back our crust, and all we're going to do is add in our filling to our crust. A few taps on the counter help. Now, if you want to decorate the top and put some other stuff on there, maybe some more of the Fruity Pebbles, you can do that now. But I'm going to take this and put this in the refrigerator for about 4 hours or overnight. All right, so our Fruity Pebbles cheesecake has been in the refrigerator overnight. Plenty of time for it to harden up. We're just going to go around the edge of it with a butter knife. This just loosens it up just so that it'll look good and pretty. You don't have to do it, but I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to go around it with a knife. So now we're going to pop our springform pan. And pull off. Now you can see how this looks. You can see the Fruity Pebbles there across the bottom. And now we can decorate this a little bit more if you'd like. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a bowl. I'm going to add some Fruity Pebbles to the bowl. I think that's good. Now what we're going to do is just take our hand and kind of push the Fruity Pebbles in the side of our cheesecake. And kind of just go around so the excess falls into the bowl. Alright, so now that looks much better, I think. Now we can decorate this also by putting some just right on the top there. You can do whatever you'd like, but I think that looks good just the way it is. Let's get some pictures of this for Instagram, and then we're gonna cut this open. Okay, so let's cut this open so I can try me some Fruity Pebbles cheesecake. I can't wait, so I'm gonna give it a slice. And dish this out. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna bite into my Fruity Pebbles cheesecake and dig in here, get a little bit of everything. Very flavorful. If you love Fruity Pebbles, you love cheesecake, you're gonna love this. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Fruity Pebble cheesecake. It's a lot of fun, a very simple and easy recipe to make. So if you enjoyed this, be sure to hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And make sure you check out some of the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those as well. And until then, I'll see you next time.